What's the meaning of Ammonite? Ammonite. 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 Ammonite.
An ammonite is an extinct marine animal that had a coiled shell and tentacle-like appendages. They lived during the Paleozoic and Mesozoic eras and were abundant in the oceans before becoming extinct around 66 million years ago. Ammonites are often used as index fossils by geologists to determine the age of rock layers. The name Ammonite comes from the god Ammon, who was often depicted wearing ram horns, which resemble the shape of an ammonite shell. Today, ammonite fossils can be found all over the world and are prized by collectors for their beauty and scientific value.